Okay, morning everyone. Welcome to this session number 402. And today we have this problem. Okay, we have this problem is the continuous subarray. It's a daily challenge, and is try given a zero index integer array nums, and subarray of nums is called continuous if let I, comma I plus 1 until j be the indices in the subarray. Then for each pair of indices I minor equal I1, I2 it's minor equal j, and 0 it's minor equal to nums in the position I1 and less nums in the position I2, and minor equal to return the total number continuous subarray. A subarray is a continuous non-empty subsequence of elements within an array. Okay. Okay. Sorry, return the total numbers. And this is the example. We have a 5, 4, 2, 4 contiguous subarrays of the size 1. This 5 it's every digit. Contiguous subarray of size 2, 5, 2, 4, 2, 2, 4. Contiguous subarrays of the size 3, 4 to 4, total continuous subarray it's 4 plus 3 plus 1. But it's not clear to me what is the. Okay, let I plus 1 until j be the indices in the subarray. Then okay, this case, then for each pair of indices I should be minor that I1 and I2 should be minor to j. I don't understand this. 0 it's minor equal nums in the position I less num in the position 2, and this should be minor equal to, for example here, 5 less 4 it's equal 1, and 1 is greater than 0 and minor equal to 2. 4 less 2 it's equal 4 less 2 is equal 2, and 2 is greater than equal 0 and it's minor equal 2, and 2 and 4. I think that in this case I take the maximum value, that is again 4 less 2 is equal 2, 2 is greater than equal 0 and minor equal 2. But now for this is 2 less 4, 4 less 2 it's equal 2, and now 2 less 4. Let me check here. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. The first is a single. But what is J? J is the always is true. Should it be not true? Because in this case, for example, is divided between 3. The other is that the difference between this pair is 1. If the difference is 0, 1, or 2, can be a pair. Yeah, in this case, this and this can be a pair. Now, between this and this, yeah, the result is 1. Now, these 3 elements, the difference between this and this, and this and this, we have 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, I think that I got it. I received only the nums. I think that maybe it's only with prefixum for have this calculus. I don't know. This is my first idea right now. Okay, n is okay. 1 no 1 2 7 3 4 5 2 8. Yeah, now okay, and now is the first time is that is the length of the array. In this case, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, we have 8 in this moment. Okay, no, it's not. This is not the way. It's like this or like this. Well, whatever. We have 8 elements right now. Now the next step is the pair between this. The difference between this element is 1. Okay. The difference between this and this is 5. Is not. Now the difference between this and this is 4. Between this and this is 1. Okay. Now between 4 and 5 is 1. Between 5 and 2 is 3. No. Between 2 and 8 is 6. No. Okay. Now we need to. This is with the length of 2. Now with the length of 3 is in essential this is not. Now the next that is this. No. With this, no, because the difference between this 7 and 3 is 4. No. The difference between this, in this case, is true. Yeah. Now the difference between this, no, and this, no. Okay, the answer is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now, but how can I avoid the operation? Because in this case, for example, I transversal this array 3 times. The first is for divide for every digit, or every digit, not, it's every number. Yeah, and the other is that checking by pairs. But it is a problem because, well, in this case I stop with a 3, but we need to check with the length of 4. And next to 5, and so on. Okay, how can I do this? I think that again my first approach is is prefixum, only having the difference between the numbers. In this case, the difference between 1 and nothing is 0. I still with 0. No, here is with 1, I think. The difference between 1 and 2 is 1. No, in this case, okay, I need to check this. I'm not sure if it's 0 or it's 1. I need to validate this. But well, the difference between this and this is 1. Difference between this and this, 5. This and this, 4. This and this, 1. This and this, 1. This and this is 3. This and this is 6. Okay. Yeah, I think that here the difference is 1. I think. Okay. Now having this, okay, I ignore completely the first, but in this case for pairs I need to check only the which. Oh, got it. Here is how many contiguous ones I can search. For example, in this case is 1. Well, as a default we have the length that is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next to is that slimming windows over this. Okay, is 1? Is 1? Yeah. The next that is 1? No. Okay, is take this, the size is 2, and okay, we have 2 here. No, in this case, well, 2. Now the next that is this is 5. Okay, no. The next that is 4. No. The next that is 1. Okay, here I still counting again. Is 1, 2. Move to the next. In this case is 3. The size here is another of the size 2. The answer here is 12. Is 8 as a default, and now is 1. No, 2, 3, 4, no, 3. No, 3. No, yeah. Here is 4. No. Now with 5. No, with 4, sorry. No. Yeah, I think that could work in this way. Let me check. This, for example. Whoop. Okay. Now is the difference between this and this. Here I think that is no, is 1. Okay, difference between this. No, it's not 1 here. 5. Between this and this is 1. The difference between 4 and 2 is 2. Difference between 2 and 4 is another 2. Okay. But I forget that the size should be greater, or the result n should be greater equal 0 and n should be minor equal 2. Okay, means that the 1 and 2s and 2 I can take. Yeah. In this case we start with the first is 1, it's minor equal 2, no? Okay, move to the next. Now I am here. As a default we have 4. Okay, now the next Okay, is a number 1? Yeah. Okay, I can move to the next. Is a number 1 or number 2? Yeah, I can move to the next. It's a number 1, number 2? Yeah, it's 2. Okay, and it's completed. The size is 3 is 4 plus 3 is 7. Yeah, I have doubt with the first. What happened if this is 9? Maybe the first is 0 always. Because in this case, if I take the first as a 0, come on, here, like this, is 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it's 4 plus 4, it's equal 8. Okay, but what happened when I only, let me check the constraints. The length is at least 1, and maximum this, the value or positive starting 1. Okay, in this case, for example, I can have only 1. In this case, is the size is 1, then the first is 0, and it's stop. Okay, where the element is the size is 1, I return only the length that is 1. Where contains 2 elements, 3 for example, in this case, okay, we have the size that is 2, and another is that difference here is 0, difference between 1 and 3 is equal to 1, 2, okay, we have 4, let me check, 1, 2, this is wrong, because it's only here 3. Because the difference between 1 and 3 is equal to, let me check here, 1 and 3, 2, 0, L. Expected 3. Okay, let me check what happened. Another 2. In this case is 3, 4, 5, 6. Comma 2. 6. Okay, I think that where is a the length is even, sorry, I forget the if it's the pairs. Where is even, I think that is this less 1, I think. Let me check. For example, in this case, it's an even number or even length. Sorry, it's a 0, 1, 2, 2. Okay, that if we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, it's equal 3 plus 3, it's equal 7. No, here the answer is 8. Any idea? Um, yeah, because with 1 and 3, this is 0 and this is 2, and we have the length is 2 plus and y with, for example, with this is 1 to 3 is 4, 0 2 is the difference between this and this 2 and 2, in this case is 4, it's equal 8, 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 expected. Yeah, sure, I need to, it's 1 2 3 and 4, and 4 is 8, here expect for example, if I have 3 elements and I need to select 2, what is the answer? It's 3. I think that maybe I need to calculate this. 3 of 3, it's only 1. N factorial less n. Maybe it's this. Let me check. 3 and we have 2. Permutation, no, it's combination. 3 factorial that 2 factorial multiplied by 3 is 2 factorial. Yeah, for example, in this case I have 4 and I need to calculate with 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, I will check the hints. Is leaning Windows technique. Use a set or map to keep the tracking the maximum and minimum of the subarray. Okay. Okay. At the beginning we have 4. Now the next set is this. Move to the next, the mean, it's equal 4, the max, it's equal 5, the difference between them are okay. Now the next set is the 2, the difference between this and this is 3, okay. I need to move the sliding windows, or the window, sorry. This case is only this. Now the maximum is 4, the difference is still in 2, okay, and we can move to the next. The maximum is still in the range, okay, but the first at the beginning the min and max is the same number, right? Oh, it's the same number, yeah. Min max it's equal 5, okay. Now move to the next. The min is 4 and now the size is 2. 1 plus 2. Now move to the next. The next is 2. Here change for this, and the difference now is 3. We need to remove 1. Okay, in this case it's only this. The min is 2 and the max is 4. Okay, plus 2. Now the next that is 4. Okay, plus 3 is 4 plus 1 plus this is 3. 3 plus 2 it's equal 5. It's equal 8. This is equal 12. No. Now let me check here. Here is 1. This is 3, 5, 8. Okay. This case, this is the answer of this. I'm not sure. Let me check with another. Is 1 and 3, for example, and is the first time is min is 1 and this is the maximum. Okay, this case is 1. Now move to the next. The next is 3. Now the difference between 1 and 3 is 2. Okay, it's inside the range. It's equal 3. Okay, now is 1. What is the example that return? Is this right? 1 3 1 3. 1 2 1 3. 1 3 1 and 3. Okay, we have this. Sorry. Min max. This case is 1. Okay, we have 1. This the length. Now the next that is 3. Sorry. The difference between this is 2. Okay, plus 2. Now the next that is 1 is still in the minimum. Now the next that is 3, still in the minimum. This case is 1 plus 2 is equal 3, plus 3 is equal 6, plus 4 it's equal 10. I think that this is the solution. I had a few times that I don't touch the sliding windows problems, but I think that it's a good time to recover. Okay, the first that is integer L, it's equal 0. Integer right, it's equal 0 2, and integer result, no, long result, it's equal 0, and integer min, it's equal 0, integer right, command, integer max, it's equal 0 2. No, even this is wrong. The min is in the index 0 and the max is the same. Yeah, here I need return result. Now here is a 4. No, it's a 4 because always it's moving to the right. While r it's minor that noms.length r++, and next to is that okay, mean it's equal math.mean between mean and norms in the position R, and it's the same with the other, with the max, and is this. And now I need to get the difference. If the difference is no, here with a y. If the difference math.abs between mean less max is is greater than 2, means that can be 0, 1, and 2, but only this length, the others should be removed. Okay, meanwhile this is greater, I need to move. In this case is, I think that both, but with the index L, and obviously L++, and only here is result plus equal R less L plus 1. This nums, right? Sure. L should be minor than R. Okay. Okay, what is happening here? Why I return 8? I think that is because in any moment got it, it's here. If this difference is minor, come on, minor equal to why? This case the difference between this and this. If this is 2, now with this is not, I need to increase. Even this is the first, is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the next one is this. Okay, if the mean in this case is for example, if at the beginning I have 1, in any another moment I can replace the, no, I think that this is wrong. Because I have 5 is the minimum maximum. Now the next that is 4, the maximum is 5 and the minimum is 4. Now move to this. But for example, if I start with 0, in any moment change this. I think that the last should be, no, this is wrong, is between gnomes in the position R and the current. Nine, 10, no. Maybe it's for this. Come on. Okay. Here. Okay, it's the first, right? If we have, for example, here, the difference between, at the beginning is 5 and 5. Difference between this and, no, this is wrong too. And even, okay, is 1. Now move to the next and I check what is the minimum. The minimum is 4. Okay, but what happened if at the beginning I have a 0? Min and max is 0 and 0. Now move to the next. The max is 5. In this case I need to move here, but I am taking again the 0. The 0 never changed. Okay, at the beginning we have 0 and 0, we have 1. Now move to the next is 5. 5 is greater, the difference between this and the mean, it's equal to 5. Okay, I need to remove this, and now it is between mean and L. Between mean, no, because if mean is 0, no, I think that this should be have only this. Yeah, because I can use the mean all the time because if at the beginning we have a minor number and it's increasing, in any moment can be changed. Okay, I think that it's time to test. Okay. Do you see? Okay. Okay, I think that we are close. Let me check. In this case the mean, and I think that the max should be this because it's the last. In the max, max, I think. What happened if the mean is equal to the max? I need to take the first as the mean. Let me remember what is the result of this. Why with this? I am returning more. Why? If this is 0, 0, 0 is 1. Now move to the next. Now the maximum is 5. Okay, I think that the maximum always is with the okay, we have the first case that is 0, 5, 0, 5, 4, 3, 4. And the first is this, the mean between 0 and 0 is 0 and the max is the same. It's not greater, it's not greater, and is here is 1. Okay, we have 1. Now the next move to the next position. The mean is between mean that is 0 and error that is 5. The mean is 0 and the max is 5. Okay, in this case the difference between mean and max that is 5 and 0 is 5. Okay, is greater. I need to calculate again the minimum between the new position and error. This case is the same, is 5, and the other is between max, and between mean, that is 5, and error. I think that the max in this moment, no, it's okay. Okay, L plus plus, and now this is another one. Okay, now this disappear in this moment. Now is this. Now the next that is this is 4. The mean in this case is 5, and the max, no, the mean, yeah, in this moment is 5, but between 5 and 4 is 4. Okay, and now the max between 5 and 4 is 5. Okay, the mean is 4, the max is 5. Okay, and here is the size is 2 plus. Now the next that is this. The mean is 4, but now is 3, and the max is still in 5. The difference is not greater than 2. Okay, I can continue, and is plus 3. And now is 4. The mean is 3. Okay, it's not here, and the max is 5, and 4 is 5. The difference is still in the same, and now here is 4. It's 1, 2, 4, 7, 11. Okay, let me check if I have one test a little short. No, I think that is the, yeah, I have an issue here. Well, I don't have more ideas right now. I need to think much better at this. Yeah, because if I am here, no, even with this, I still with the same error. Well, I think that I will check in the next transmission, in the next streaming, but thanks for following this transmission, and I hope see you in the next. Bye bye.